What's up, Tech Nation? Guess what? We are reviewing this next. This is really cool. This has been out for quite a while, but my buddy just turned me on to it. It's an incredible omnidirectional type microphone. This is something I can use hanging above me when I'm interviewing guests on my cooking show. So we're going to take this, and there's a reason why I bought the right angle plugs too. You'll see that in a minute. I'm going to take this into the kitchen on the Cooking with Jack show and try it out and give you testings on each one, and then we'll try it on the iPhone. We're going to be trying it everywhere. It's going to be awesome. Okay, here is my camera, the 60D, and I have a wireless receiver by Sennheiser. It was an $800 receiver. That's right. And it plugs into the microphone jack right there. So I'm going to unplug it. Let me go get the other microphone. That's supposed to pick me up also on the show. There's the shot right there. Let's see how good the microphone works. Okay, so we opened the box, the ETM 001, and you found the microphone and a little windscreen, and you got your right angles for the 60D camera. So let me put this together and we'll take a look at it. Okay, check 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a test of the ETM 001 microphone. I don't have it in a right angle. I just have it plugged into the microphone hole. The right angle adapter doesn't work. I got the wrong one. So let's see if it picks up my voice and how it sounds. Okay, so I know there's a wire in front of me, but basically we have the microphone right there, right above my head, right off screen, and we're testing it out right now to see if the problem is when I have guests on the show, I can't hear them speak unless the microphone is on them and the lapel microphone's on me. But if this omnidirectional can catch me over here, and it can catch me over here, I'm going to be very happy because I can use this microphone instead of, and this one right here, wait till you hear how much it costs. It is I think it's the ETM 001. Okay, now I've got my lapel microphone right in my hand here, and that's the one that I use normally on the show. So you can kind of compare it with the other microphone that I'm testing today. I will remind you, if you use this on the iPhone, you will need this adapter to go into the lightning plug on your iPhone, but you know, probably on your Samsung, you probably still have a headphone jack. Okay, let me tell you why I'm excited about the ETM 001. I got to get new angle adapters, but that microphone can be used in my kitchen, and I don't have to put batteries in it. It runs right off the camera power, and it doesn't require any special power whatsoever. You guys have no idea how many batteries I go through in a week. I'm constantly changing the batteries on my microphone. And that was an $800 microphone, the Sennheiser, the wireless one that I use on the show right now. So I'm going to test out the microphone right now on my iPhone. You guys ready? You can hear right now what my audio sounds like. And now you can hear my voice with the microphone. It's not even pointing at me. It's just hanging down, straight down. So once I get a correct right angle, it will be much better. I can't wait. So anyway, that gives you a test of the microphone and tells you what it's like. So you heard the sound quality. It's not bad at all. Kind of comparable to everything else I'm using. The iPhone, the Canon 60D. This little microphone uses no power, doesn't need any batteries, or isn't rechargeable or anything like that. Just plug and play. You know what? You know how much this microphone is? You ready? $27. That's right. $27 I paid for this microphone. I won't have to keep swapping batteries out. I can leave it on the show the whole time and use it. I'm pretty excited about this little guy. It's been around for a while. There is other ETMs if you want something that's a little bit different. Check out the other videos that are online. But the ETM 001 is the one for me.